Okay, here we have the data for the Howell College course evaluations. Basically, we have all of these factors. Um, and looking at the overall evaluation, the overall rating for the course, the rating of the teaching skills of the instructor, the rating of the quality of the tests and exams, the rating of the instructor's knowledge of the material, the student's anticipated grade, and the enrollment of the course. We're trying to figure out what has the most impact on the overall rating, and what is the best indicator of the overall rating. Now, there's a number of ways to do this. We could just do it as a series of individual regressions. Regress each one of these, teaching, exams, knowledge, grade, and enrollment, to the overall directly without doing a multivariate regression. Or we could do it all as one and see how it goes. Let's try it as a multivariate regression. So we're going to look at data analysis, regression. My y, what I don't know is my overall, and my x is everything else. Okay? I'm going to leave my labels in there because I included the words at the top, and click OK. Our r squared is 70%. It's just on the line of what's acceptable. But when we look at our p-values, when we look at the values to say what it is that has the least chance of being part of our numbers, we're seeing that enrollment has a p-value of 81%. The anticipated grade in the course has a p-value of 42%. Teaching score, however, has a p-value of only 0.1. What we could do is take everything else out and just do teaching. What I'm going to do instead is get rid of the intercept, because that's the one thing that we can pretty much remove without changing anything. Now we have our r squared is 99% just by removing that one thing. That's much better. But when we look at our p-values, we're looking at an 81, a 78, a 59, a 49, and again a 0.01 for teaching score. So the way we're going to answer this question is that the factor that is the best indicator of overall rating is teaching. The best teachers end up getting the best scores. And the one that has the greatest impact when we look at this, the coefficient is 0.6, negative 0.3, 0.2, 0.4, 0.0. The one that has the greatest effect, one extra point in teaching has more of an effect than one extra point in the exams, one extra point in knowledge, the anticipated grade, or the enrollment. So teaching is our factor that is both the best indicator of overall rating, and it has the greatest impact on the overall rating.